In the modern agricultural world, apples are not only a familiar fruit in daily meals, but also an industry worth tens of billions of dollars each year. Washington state alone accounts for more than 60% of the total apple production in the United States, equivalent to more than 2.5 million tons of apples each year on the endless fields. Technology has completely changed the way apples are harvested. If in the past, hundreds of workers had to climb ladders to manually pick each fruit one by one, this is an apple harvesting method that could be called crazy, but is extremely effective. We are witnessing the specialized apple tree shaker. Instead of picking apples one by hand, this machine uses a mechanism to firmly grip and shake the trunk. Immediately after the apples fall, a second machine, the specialized apple collection machine, moves in to clear the battlefield. The collection machine gently maneuvers through the rows of trees, the sweeping brush system, or the soft collecting mechanism at the front begins to gently sweep and lift the fallen apples from the ground. This two-step process, tree shaking and mechanical collection, is especially suited for apples intended for industrial processing like juice or cider. This method provides unmatched productivity and speed. Now giant shaking machines weighing up to 10 tons have appeared. Their mechanism is very simple but effective. Hydraulic arms clamp the tree trunk, vibrate strongly so that each ripe apple falls down to the frame below. Then, the conveyor belt transfers the apples to the container, ready to be brought to the warehouse. With this method, a machine can harvest from 10 to 15 tons of apples per day, dozens of times faster than human power. However, the downside is that the crushing rate is quite high, so most of these apples are only suitable for juice production. Another technology is also making an impression: row harvesters, which use soft rotating brushes to sweep along the tree canopy, causing the fruit to fall onto trays and be transported to the conveyor. This method allows the machine to move continuously between rows of apples, harvesting quickly, but still has limits on efficiency. And what really opens a new era is the smart apple picking robot. Integrated with AI cameras, these robots can distinguish which fruit is ripe, open the clamp precisely, and gently pick each fruit. A modern robot can harvest thousands of apples per day, keeping their shape and color almost unbruised. Although this technology is not yet widely popular due to its high cost, it is gradually replacing manual labor on modern farms. In general, from vibrators, scanners to apple picking robots, each technology reflects a balance between speed, productivity, and quality. And it is this difference that determines the consumption market. Bruised apples for the processing industry, intact apples for high-end exports. Harvesting technology, therefore, is not only a production tool, but also a factor that shapes the economic value of an entire apple crop globally.